Welcome back to Redneck Garage. You guys wanted to see what kind of exhaust that I could come up with for the ZForce 500. You also wanted to know what kind of exhaust I could come up with that was not super loud, sounded good, and didn't break the bank. These two items cost me $49. This not really necessary, but it's glass packed, so it will add like a deeper tone. I do not know what this is gonna sound like, so enjoy the ride and have fun, because we're gonna see what it sounds like, possibly even ride it in this video. We'll see how long this takes me, but we're definitely gonna hear it. So this is a Cherry Bomb turbo exhaust. I don't know, it was like $27 at AutomoZone. And this, I don't know, like 20 bucks or something like that. It was $49.98 total after tax. So this is an exhaust tip, and I'll have links down below as to where you can get this stuff. I'll save part numbers and stuff, put it all down below. Make sure you check out my links, check out my merch store, and donate to the channel if you can. Helps me do this stuff, because I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't even know what this sounds like. This is for a car. Let's see. But I do know it's small enough, it'll work on here. I hope.
Hey, what are you doing with my machine?
What? I just was gonna put...
Stop!
I just wanted to put a muffler on it.
Is that what you're doing?
Yes.
Oh.
Well, you didn't know it involved hacking it up?
No?
Well, too bad.
Hey!
What?
No! Stop!
What?
You need to stop!
I don't know what to tell you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't. What? I thought you wanted it to sound good.
I do!
Well, you gotta let me hack it all up.
Don't hack it all up!
As long as this don't touch the plastics, we should be alright. Right?
I guess. Just
Well,
don't hurt it.
Get out of here and
Fine.
let me see what
Just
I can
don't
do.
hurt it.
Go, quit being a wife. Go. Get out of the garage. Looks like we're gonna have to take that muffkin off of there. Let's get her done. Welds are getting better, guys. Thank you for helping me out with those. It's done. She just brought her key out. I hope it sounds good. I hope it don't sound like a Volkswagen or something. You ready?
I guess we'll see.
Oh, I'm excited. guys, I was not expecting that. I was expecting like a razor type sound with a little ring, you know. I was not expecting that deepness. Now, I don't know what it would sound like without that glass pack tip on there. And I got that tip knowing that these have the little ring to them. But I got the Thrush Turbo. The Thrush Turbo is a glass pack muffler. It's not one of the V-shaped mufflers. Those are normally the ones that give you that little, it sounds like you're taking a shit in a can. I got that one because, well, it was cheap. $27 from AutoZone for a muffkin? Yeah. But I mainly got it because it was small and it was a glass pack muffler, and it will provide back pressure for this, so we should not need to tune it. I will say it's a lot more peppier. I mean, yeah, in high range coming up that hill, I was pedal to the metal like normal in that 500. You know, getting it up to like 30 miles an hour. That's just how that thing's always been. But it's a little bit more snap and a little bit more throttle response. I'd almost like for you to take it for a ride. Would you? That way you can see what the difference is that I'm talking about?
I can.
Want to? She's going to take it for a ride and tell you guys the difference I'm talking about and how it performs. I'll tell you what, it just, that and it'll give me a chance to actually hear it outside of it. It sounds like mine, but quieter and more mellower. She does sound good. Yeah. Yeah, she does sound good. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Please, guys, I know it's dark. Bear with me because I have 10 LED lights coming this week. Supposed to be here Friday. I'm doing it for you because normally I wouldn't care. What do you think?
I like it.
It's a little bit louder in the cab. It's not an annoying loud.
No,
But it's noticeable.
it's noticeable.
It sounds. I like the sound of that better than I like this 300. This 300 rips. She's a ripper.
Yeah.
That thing. Did you see what I was talking about with the
It's
throttle
more-
response?
yeah, it's more
Don't
better.
it feel a little bit more? I like it. I hope you do.
I do.
I put a lot of time, effort, energy, and 49 whole dollars.
I like it.
Yeah, I like that. I think it's $49.98. AutoZone in their 98s. They don't like those 99s. They only like them 98s.
Of course.
So, yeah, guys, I'll have links down below where you can get that muffkin And that muffkin attachment there with the glass pack, it's got glass pack in it too. That's probably what's making it have that little pop sound. Because that's what those do, so. We good?
That's awesome, yeah.
So now that you beat me with a box, I just was gonna put.
Stop!
I just wanted to put a muffler on it. You see that, guys? She abuses me, but then she likes what I do. So. All right, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Get down there and hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed. 86% of my followers are not subscribed. Subscribe. It helps the channel grow. It helps YouTube know that we're good people around here. We have good intentions. We're family friendly for the most part. I don't normally curse that much. And if I do, I try to stay away from the F-bomb. And I might drink a little beer here and there. Who cares? This is a garage channel.
Yep.
What do you think?
I think so too.
Peace out. Knuckles out.